Now we discuss about Mendeleev's periodic table. It is the third attempt of classification made by Russian scientist Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. At that time, near about 63 elements were known. He also stated that atomic mass of the element was most fundamental property, and he also found that the physical and chemical properties of the elements repeat after definite interval. On the basis of his observation, he put forth the law. The law is named as Mendeleev's periodic law. The law is properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. That means as the atomic mass increases, the properties are increases. मूलद्रव्याचे गुणधर्म त्याच्या ॲटॉमिक मासचे आवृत्तीफल आहे. जेवढ्या अधिक प्रमाणामध्ये ॲटॉमिक मास वाढेल तेवढ्या गुणधर्मामध्ये वाढ होते असा नियम असा लॉ सांगितला. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज मेंडेलिव्हज पिरियडिक लॉ. द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर पिरियडिक फंक्शन ऑफ देअर ॲटॉमिक मास because Mendeleev considered as the atomic mass is the most fundamental property. So at that time 63 elements are known, and on the basis of this periodic law, now he classified all the known elements. But during classification he made certain vertical columns called as groups and certain horizontal rows called as pairs. That means a table is made by Mendeleev having different groups and periods. 8 groups are there and 12 rows, that is periods are there. Within this all 63 elements are kept within this table, and the table is known as Mendeleev's periodic table. What is the peculiarity of his classification? Certain important and good things are there in the Mendeleev's periodic table that are called as merits of Mendeleev table. Which are the merits? Number 1, atomic masses of some elements are revised. Mendeleev, when arrange all the elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses, he found that some elements have atomic masses which needs to be revised, and depending on its position he revised it. For example, beryllium. Now within this periodic table in the textbook page number 18 figure number 2.3, the second row beryllium is there, second row and group number 3. This beryllium has atomic mass 9.4, but formally it is 14.9, but it gets revised after the classification. So it is the merit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Second one, he kept vacant places and predicted about their properties. When we observe the Mendeleev's periodic table, we observe that the atomic number 44, atomic mass 44, atomic mass 68, atomic mass 72. The places are vacant. There is no element. These elements are not discovered at that time, but he kept vacant places. Not only saved the places, kept the places, but also predicted about their properties. And after some time, after Mendeleev, the elements were discovered and the properties are found to be correct. Nicknames are given by Mendeleev that, for example, at 44 atomic mass, Ika boron, 68 atomic mass, Ika aluminium, 72 atomic mass, Ika silicon. After discovery, they give name as scandium, gallium and germanium. So it is the most important merit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. What is the third one? Noble gases were later discovered and placed without disturbing the periodic table. That means there is a place in this periodic table which were discovered later. It is also an important point as far as the Mendeleev's periodic table is concerned. However, some demerits are also there. Which are these demerits? Number first, there is ambiguity in the sequence. When we observe the Mendeleev's periodic table, we observe that, we find that the cobalt and nickel has the same atomic mass. When they have the same atomic mass, where they are kept, cobalt and nickel has the same atomic number but have a different atomic mass, and therefore there is a ambiguity in the sequence to kept in this particular table. Second one, challenge was posed about the placement of isotopes. What are the isotopes? We know that isotopes are the elements which shows the same atomic number but different atomic masses. As they have a different atomic masses, if we kept in a different places, they show the similar chemical properties, and therefore challenge was posed about the placement of the isotopes. Third demerit, rise in atomic mass is not uniform. When we observe the rise in atomic mass, it is found that the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. Hence, it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between these two elements. And last one is about hydrogen. Hydrogen has no correct position in this periodic table. Why hydrogen have not a correct position? Because hydrogen shows similarities with halogen, that is group number 6 fluorine, group number 7 fluorine, chlorine, etc. That is halogens. And it also shows resemblance with lithium, sodium, that is the alkali metals. And therefore, the hydrogen has no correct position, whether it is kept in a group number 1 or whether it is kept in a group number 7. So, these are the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Even though it shows certain demerits, it is the milestone attempt of classification for the further classification. In the next clip, we try to understand the next classification, that is the modern periodic table. Thank you.